Guys, how to fix KB5041876 Windows update fails to install in Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of error while updating your Windows, then the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute first chkdsk command. Here you may replace C drive with your drive and press enter. Check the next time the system restarts, choose type Y and press enter, and let the window complete the scanning procedure of your hard disk, and if any error found it will and after that restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install in Windows 11 is fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is disk cleanup. There may be a storage issue on your system, so go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Choose the drives where your programs and apps were installed and choose OK. Here make the check against option temporary internet files, recycle bin, thumbnails, etc. And finally click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you would want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. It will clean your disk and release extra space to your system. The next workaround is run Windows troubleshooter. Go to settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key. Choose system and thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Choose other troubleshooters and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. This is the very important Windows inbuilt tool troubleshooters. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the process detecting problems. It will not only detect the issue but fix them accordingly. Once completed, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc. Click OK. Services windows will open now. And in services windows, a start or restart 3 to 4 Windows update related services. The first one is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and first choose start. If you found already start, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties. Set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second services you should start or restart is cryptographic services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is Windows installer services. Right click on it, start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. You can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. And set a startup type as automatic. And check whether your error is resolved or not. Windows update failed to install in Windows 11. Go to and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Apply DISM tool or an SFC scan now tool to scan your system and check your system health. run Windows Update components. First, execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute these 2 commands. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt windows and press enter on each time. Thereafter, execute these 4 commands to start all those services you have earlier stopped them. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that, restart